What's the meaning of audition? Audition. Audition.
Audition. Audition. An audition is a process in which a performer demonstrates their skills or talent to be considered for a particular role or opportunity. The purpose of an audition is to select the most suitable candidate who can meet the requirements of the role. The result of an audition can be positive or negative, depending on the performance of the performer and the expectations of the judges or decision-makers. A successful audition can lead to the performer being chosen for the role, while an unsuccessful one may require the performer to improve their skills or seek other opportunities.